Key U.S. Senator Sinema agrees to $430 billion drug strength bill. Washington Democratic U.S. Senator Kyrsten Sinema mentioned on Thursday she agreed to move ahead on a $430 billion drug pricing, power and tax invoice, difficulty to a Senate arbiter's approval of the bill, which Democrats intend to pass over Republican objections. Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer said earlier on Thursday the chamber could convene on Saturday to vote on a movement to continue, after which start-off debate at the bill. The bill, called the Inflation Reduction Act, added remaining week via Schumer and Democratic Senator Joe Manchin, is a key priority for Democrats and President Joe Biden ahead of November's election battle for manage of the U.S. Congress. The act will help humans keep money on pharmaceuticals and fitness premiums, Biden said in an assertion on Thursday. It will make our tax gadget greater honest through making groups pay a minimum tax, he stated. With the 100-seat Senate breakup 5,050, Democrats plan to bypass the invoice without Republican assist through a parliamentary system called reconciliation. But they can't find the money to lose guide from a single lawmaker. Sinema's settlement was an important step forward. Another fear is COVID-19 senators can solely vote in man or woman, so Schumer will need his complete caucus to be gift and nutritious to skip the degree if Republicans stay unified in competition. Sinema stated she had reached an settlement with different Democrats to dispose of a provision that would impose new taxes on carried interest. Without the availability, private fairness and hedge fund financiers can continue to pay the lower capital profits tax fee on a good deal of their profits, in place of the better earnings tax rate paid by using wage earners. She suggested that her settlement to circulate forward changed into subject to the evaluate of the Senate parliamentarian. The parliamentarian has to approve the contents of the invoice to permit it to transport ahead through the reconciliation technique that Democrats plan to use to skip the chamber's everyday policies requiring 60 senators to conform to boost most rules. Schumer, in a declaration, mentioned he believed he now had the votes to skip the bill. The settlement preserves the foremost additives of the Inflation Reduction Act, such as lowering prescription drug costs, fighting climate exchange, final tax loopholes exploited by using massive organizations and the rich, and reducing the deficit by means of $300 billion, Schumer mentioned.